This old dude's transformation has gone insanely viral. 40 million views for flexing a transformation that's entirely AI. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. I found the exact video that this is made after, so just follow along, it will take you literally a minute. What we're going to be using is an app called vidcloner. Vidcloner allows you to clone any viral video and replace people with your own custom avatars. As you can see here, you can do that for dances, UGC, app marketing, whatever it is. But basically, it's the simplest app and you'll see why in this video. So first, what we need is to create our avatar. What you'll do is just go to vidcloner, click generate with AI and describe the person you want to generate. Here we go, we made a prompt, guy in his 50s, gray hair, overweight, and you click generate. Now while it's generating, what we need is the first part of the video. So you can literally just find anything, like say, guy flexing. Let's take this clip and copy it. Here we go, the image was generated, so we can go ahead and replace the person in this video with this avatar. That will be this first part of the video. And replacing the avatar is super easy. You click create, you paste TikTok URL right here, delete any of this stuff that's not necessary, select the avatar and click clone video. And that's it. Now let's do the same thing for the second part of the video. Let's click generate with AI, select the reference image. Let's say, make this man muscular, low body fat percentage, pretty big muscles. Generate avatar, and we'll do the same cloning and replacing avatar for this video. Remember? Again, copy the link, go to vidcloner, the muscular image was generated, click create, again, paste the TikTok URL, select the avatar, clone video. And just like that, both clips are done. This is the first one where he's overweight, and then this one where he's flexing his back. Now what you would do is just download these videos, put them together on CapCut just like they did right here, put the text on, and you have a viral video done. It took us literally just a few clicks to create the avatar, to copy the video, and to put everything together. So if you want to try this out, go to vidcloner.com and you'll be able to do this for almost any niche that you can imagine. Dance videos, motivational videos, looks maxing, working out, whatever it is. I'll leave the link below. So yeah,